and the danger of road traffic accident. It also helped the people with disability and provide them with awareness about their right, their opportunity in the community, what is the available opportunity of the community for disabled person, like jobs and so on. In addition to that, media can give disabled person the chance to discuss his or her own issues on their behalf from their perspective, which will help to increase the awareness of disability within the community, and also will increase the public attitude, the bad attitude from the public.
Indeed. And Dr. Sana'a, I believe about the World Disability Day. Can you tell us more about the activities which was held at King Fahd Medical City last week? Tell us about the activities and what was the public's view regarding this.
Okay, again, the Disability Day is a wonderful opportunity for all disabled people and the ordinary people as well. It will raise their awareness about disability. The day was organized by the King Fahd Medical City Rehabilitation Hospital and sponsored by Novalak Infant Formula. The theme for the day was رب همة أحيت أمة. It's in Arabic, I cannot say it in English, but it is we followed the theme of the International Day of Persons with Disability, which is the inclusion matters.
Indeed. So definitely, yes, and it goes to show that the activities like this, it kind of brings more awareness also to individuals who do not suffer from disabilities, but have an idea of the challenges individuals with disability face, and something that's very good, especially in today's society. You never know what the challenge is until you put yourself into the individual's foot.
Yeah, this is why our activities was it was related to the person with disabilities capability and capacity. So most of the activity performed by disabled person, and the idea behind it to show the ordinary person and the other person that they are capable, they can do the sports and others. So the activity includes theater show, contest for the disabled person, some sports activities, basketball, volleyball, and also it included gymnastic shows performed also by a disabled person. Children also, they have an entertainment and fun as well. It was a corner for the art and the painting corner, while the person with disability, they painted and they draw based on their capability and abilities. And we had also a food court hosted by one of disabled, a mother of one of the disabled person, which was a great opportunity for her to contribute and to support her disabled son.
Remarkable. Now with this, Dr. Sana'a, also we would like to talk to you a bit more about the rehabilitation facility in terms of the treatment modalities that they have. How long is it that rehabilitation process could actually be? How soon could people be on the road to recovery?
Okay. It is actually tough questions to answer about the time of rehabilitation, because the cases usually is different. Sometimes we cannot tell this case will take 1 month. Sometimes it may take a few days, sometimes it may take a few months, sometimes may take longer. The duration is there are many contributing factors to a duration of rehabilitation treatment. It could be one of the contribution factor is the disease itself, the previous functional status of the person, previous health, psychosocial status, the family support. All these are contributing in the rehabilitation time and period. A good example for that, if we have a two identical person with the same age, same gender, same demographic data, with the same condition or same disease, but one of the person is was very active before the injury. The other one was a couch potato, was non-active. Do you think these two persons will have the same time of recovery? Of course not. Yeah, the one who have the first one will be recover faster than the second one.
Because
So-
it does that mean, Dr. Sana, that the people, let's say, who are having this strong desire to get back to their old life will be able to go through rehabilitation much more quicker because they have stronger willpower?
Depends on it will be one of the contributing factor, their power and desire. But as I said, there are many contributing factors about it. Lifestyle was, if they are active, they will have a good recovery.
And generally, Dr. Sana, as we're about to conclude our discussion for the day, quickly we would like to ask you if there's a difference between rehabilitation for children and for adults.
Actually, this is a very good questions to ask, because most of the people, they think a child is a small adult. Unfortunately, it's not. A child is different than adult. And the children rehabilitation is a very challenging field. And when we rehabilitate a child, we consider many factors, while in adult it's related to the goal. Thinking about adult person with disability, we think about his previous functional status, and we put the goal according to his previous functional status, which is to return to previous functional status or closer to it. While in children, the case is different. There are the clinical picture of children is different. The rehabilitation needs is different. Children is they are growing by the time. They develop by the time. Each time we need to consider their developmental level when we think about any rehabilitation goal, or when we put any rehabilitation goal for them. It's actually, children is diverse. We cannot say they are equal to adult or they are similar to adult. We share the same approach for children and for the adult. Same techniques, but the concept is different.
Indeed, definitely. Thank you so much, Dr. Sana'a, for joining us today, especially in the importance, of course, Disability World Day, to give us a little more insights of all activities that King Fahd Medical City has provided for society, and to kind of create more awareness. Again, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
And for our viewers, that was Dr. Sana'a Madhi, who was the head of physical therapy rehab hospital at King Fahd Medical Center. We're talking about the line of Disability World Day, and it's something that really goes to show, if society is together and for one goal, we can actually achieve much more greater. And at the end, this is something that we have to take care of individuals who are really having a challenge in everyday life and regarding disability. But at the moment, viewers, take a quick and short break, and we join right after this. Stay tuned.
Okay, thank you so much.